Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw something different. We're gonna draw a car, the Venom racer from the Rocket League. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this car, and we're gonna start out in the front wheel first, and it's gonna be a smaller wheel, so we're just gonna draw one circle. And you can use any kind of drawing aid to help you if you need some help on drawing a circle, but usually it's okay, you know, if it's a little bit wobbly. That's not the important part. Okay, so then after the circle here on the front wheel, we got to draw in the headlight. So just come out to the side. It's almost like a little rectangle. I'm just gonna make it a little bit rounder. And we're drawing the details of the wheel later. And then on the top here, there's gonna be another cylinder, and I'm gonna draw it in this slightly slanted angle. I think those are the shocks. Okay, and then from there on the top, I'm just gonna draw one more, just for some detail. Okay, so now we can draw in the front section of the car. So right here's the middle of the circle. Just come up a little bit more. We're gonna come out, across. And then from here on the top, on the front, we're gonna slant. This is gonna be the front of the car, and then we're gonna go slant it all the way back. All right, so it's a little bit tricky, just trying to judge the distance. Okay, let's come back up here on the side. Right here, I'm just gonna dip down. I'm just gonna draw a little square almost. It's a little bit longer, so it should be a rectangle. Okay, and then from there, this corner right here, we're gonna connect to the top. So whatever distance you have here, whatever slant, just connect that. All right, so now we gotta draw in the rear wheel, and for this one, we're gonna come out a little bit more, and then come back to the front here, just kind of come across, just make a note of how far down this kind of, I guess, where the bottom of the big tire is. So just kind of draw like a little straight line here all the way across, and then from there we're gonna draw one big circle. So this part's a little bit tricky too. But just kind of make sure that this is kind of level, and then that should be okay. Okay, so then from here, from this corner, we're gonna curve all the way around the back wheel here. Let's come all the way to the back and then go into the wheel. And then right here, this is gonna be the tail light. Just draw like a little curve. And we're almost done with the shape of the car. And it gets a little bit easier than we're just drawing the stuff on the inside. Okay, so now we're gonna continue this. We're gonna keep going, this slant. Right around here, we're gonna stop. And then from the very tip here, we're gonna go all the way back. Just go down, past this, and let's close that. Okay. And then on the very tip here, let's just add in a little bit of detail, go up. So these are easy. Just come across and come back in. And then for the windshields and side windows, we come over here. We're gonna slant down like this, and then we're gonna continue this. Just go all the way down. There's a little bit of a tricky curve. Okay, and then for the front windshield, come down, and then just slant. So that's the front windshield, and then for the side, we're gonna come back up, just draw another line like that. And then on this one, we're gonna follow the curve, just go back, and then just close that. So that's the side window. And then let's do the tires last. Let's add in a little bit of detail in the front here. And actually we're almost done. Okay, so right here, we're gonna just draw two lines out first. This one's gonna come down. So we're gonna extend this one and then just curve it down and then round it off. Okay, and then we're gonna draw 2 more lines, same as this. And then just round that off. So now we're just adding details. And then in here, just gonna draw 2 circles. I know there's supposed to be 3, but I'm just gonna keep it simple. And then let's draw 2 more inside. Alright, and then for some extra detail here in the front, add 1 slant like that, because I think this is different color. And then we're gonna draw 1 line all the way across here. So start here, just come right through, right behind those rods there, and just dip down, because this is different color. Okay, so it's actually, yeah, so it's actually pretty simple to draw, right? It's not too bad. And then now we're gonna draw in the details for the tire and the wheel. So we're gonna draw another circle. So in this part, I mean, if you want to add in your own design, that's fine. Okay, so that's the tire, and then here's the middle. I'm gonna draw 1 more in the middle. And then for the rims, I'm just gonna draw kind of like 3 arcs like this. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the same thing on the back. So whatever style you use for front, just use the same design for the back. Same thing, 1 curve. So there's gonna be 3, so try to space it out. 1, 2, and 3. And then lastly, I almost forgot. There's one little line that's kind of important and will make it look more three-dimensional. Just from this corner, just go into the body. And that is it for this very cool looking Venom racer. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.